Good morning students, I am Nitin SK from Biomedical and Robotics Department in Mysore University School of Engineering, Mysore. Today I am going to discuss about 4-stroke diesel engine, also called as 4-stroke compression ignition engine. Why? Because by using compression, combustion will take place. So that's why compression ignition engine. Here is mentioned 4 strokes. I told you strokes nothing but if the piston is to be moved top to bottom, that is the 1 stroke. Here is mentioned 4 diagrams are there, that's why the name is called 4 strokes. So initially, by using battery start, what happens? The flywheel will be rotate 1 revolution. If it is rotate 180 degree, the piston is to be moved TDC to BDC. Because why? Because the connecting rod is one end is connected to piston, another end is connected to flywheel. So that's why if the flywheel will be rotated, the piston is also moved top to bottom. Simultaneously, inlet wall is to be open, outlet wall is closed. If the inlet wall is to be open, normal air passes through cylinder through inlet wall. Normal atmospheric air passes through cylinder through inlet wall. That's why that is called a suction stroke. After that, because of battery, what happens? 1 full revolution, the piston is to be moved BDC to TDC. BDC nothing but bottom dead center. TDC means top dead center. The piston is to be moved BDC to TDC because of 1 revolution. So on the time inlet wall also closed, outlet wall also closed, both are closed. So that's why the air will get high pressure. Compression ratio is high compression ratio. The compression ratio is 20:1 to 22:1 compression ratio. High compression ratio. Compared to petrol engine, in the diesel engine is a high compression ratio because both walls are closed. That's why the name is also compression stroke. Third one, fuel injector is there. The fuel injector, the diesel is directly entered to fuel injector. The diesel is directly entered to fuel injector. Here is a initially is a high pressure of air stored in the cylinder. The diesel spray through fuel injector. Once the diesel is to be entered to cylinder, what happen? High pressure is to be take place in the cylinder. So that's why the combustion will take place. That's why the combustion will take place. That's why the piston is to be moved top to bottom. That name is called working stroke. High combustion will be take place. So that's why the piston is to be moved top to bottom and bottom to top also. Once the piston is to be moved bottom to top, on the time inlet wall closed, outlet wall is to be open. So exhaust smoke is passes through outside. Exhaust smoke is passes through outside. That's why the name is called exhaust stroke. And PV diagram also there. In that PV diagram, P pressure, the volume diagram, what happens is initially all the air is passes through cylinder. So that's why the volume is to be increased. Inside of the cylinder, the volume is to be increased, the pressure is normal. Volume is to be increased. Pressure is normal means pressure is the normal 1 to 2, but volume is to be increased. See, the volume is to be increased. The second stroke, what happened? Both walls are closed. So here compression is to be happen, high compression ratio. So compression is to be increases. What happened? Pressure is to be high, but volume is to be reduced. Volume is to be reduced, right? The size is to be reduced. High pressure. Because of compression is to happen. So that's why pressure is to be increased, volume is to be reduced. Once again. After that, by using fuel injector, combustion will take place here. Fuel nothing but the petrol is entered to cylinder. Petrol is entered to cylinder. What happens? Automatically before combustion, automatically cylinder is to be increased because the fuel you can't compress. Fuel is entered to cylinder automatically before combustion. The cylinder size is to be increased. So that's why pressure is normal. That's why the volume is to be increased. Here is the volume is to be increased because of fuel. If the fuel is to be injected to cylinder before combustion, automatically volume is to be increased. Pressure is to be normal. After that, combustion will take place. So that's why the piston is to be moved from bottom to top. top to bottom. So that's why the volume is to be increased, but pressure is reduced. Volume is to be increased, pressure is reduced. Then that cycle is to be repeated. Same thing is to happen. So that is per se 4-stroke diesel engine. With the 4-stroke diesel engine, 4 strokes are there: suction stroke, compression stroke, working stroke, exhaust stroke. The normal air passes through cylinder. That's why the suction stroke. Both valves are closed. Here is a compression 20:1 to 22:1. That's why the compression. The fuels, diesel, once they enter the cylinder, what happens? Combustion will take place. That's why the piston is to move here. Top to bottom, working stroke. Then bottom to top also. So on the time outlet was to open, then the smoke is passes outside. That's like just like a silencer. That name is called the exhaust stroke. It is called a 4-stroke diesel.